Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in this video, we'll learn what is an event and we'll solve the examples of practice set 5.3 from the chapter probability. So, first, what is an event? The outcomes satisfying a particular condition are called favorable outcomes. A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is called as an event. Event is a subset of a sample space. Event is a subset of sample space. It is denoted by the capital letters A, B, C, D except capital letter S. The number of elements in the event is denoted by NA. Note that the event is subset of sample space. Practice set 5.3. Write the sample space S and number of sample point NS for each of the following experiment. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write NA, NB and NC. That is number of elements in A, B and C. First example. One die is rolled. When a die is rolled, first the sample space S is equal to, there are in all 6 outcomes. Here, this is the die. Die is a square, a cube in shape. It is a cube, so it has 6 in all 6 faces. So there are 6 outcomes numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of sample points in the sample space is equal to, that is NS is equal to total 6 outcomes. Now event A, events is the subset of the sample space. S is the sample space. So event A is equal to even number on the upper face of the dice. So even number, so which are the even number here? 2, the sample space 4 and 6. These are the even number, and number of sample points in A, NA is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Now next is B. Event B is odd number on the upper face of the dice. So odd number 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3, 5. These are the odd numbers. So NB is also equal to number of element in the B is 3. 1, 2, 3. Now event C is the prime numbers on the uppermost face of the die. So C is equal to, now prime number 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the only the even prime number. So 2. Then 3 and 5. Numbers are the numbers whose factor is the number itself and 1. So here 2, 3, 5 in this sample space are the prime number. So number of element in event C is equal to 3. Second example. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. Event A, the sum of the digits on the uppermost faces is multiple of 6. Event B, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is minimum 10. And event C, sum of the digits on both the upper face is same. The same digits on the both the upper face. So here 2 dice are thrown. So sample space S is equal to 2 dice 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 and so on. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So this is the sample space where in all there are ns is equal to 36 sample points in the sample space when two dice are thrown. Now event A is sum of the digits on uppermost face is multiple of 6. So sum of the digits when you add this is 1 plus 1, it should be 2. 2 is multiple of 6? No. So 6 we want here, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12 and so on. Such the sum should come multiple of 6. So here the first event A, first element 1 plus 5 6. So 1 comma 5, then 2 3 2 4 2 4 2 plus 4 6 which is multiple of 6, then 3 plus 3 6 which is multiple of 6, then 4 plus 2 again 6 4 2 6, then 5 plus 1 6 5 comma 1, then we'll get 6 comma 6. So in all the number of elements in NA is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now second is the sum of the digits on the uppermost face is minimum 10. So minimum 10 should be, so the sample points in event B are minimum 10. So it is 4 6 4 plus 6 10, then 5 plus 5 10, then 5 plus 6 minimum it should be 10 or more than 10. So 5 6 11 should not be less than 10, and 6 comma 4 10, 6 5 and 6 6. So in all there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements in event B. Now the last is same digits on the both the upper face. So if you see the sample space, same digits, that is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. Here are the same digits. So C is equal to 1 1 1 2 2 2, then 3 3 4 4 5 5 5 5 and 6 6. So in all there are 6 elements in the sample space of event, 6 elements in the event C. Now 3 coins are tossed. So first 3 coins are tossed. So sample space S is equal to the technique of writing the sample space of 3 coins. So first here on first coin 4 times H. So there when 3 coins are tossed, in all there are 8 outcomes. So first 4 times on first coin 4 times H and 4 times T. Then second coin 2 times H, 2 times T, again 2 times H and 2 times T, and third coin H T H T H T H T. Now here there is no repetition of the sample points. So the outcomes are H H H, then H H T, then H T H, H T T, T H H, then T H T, T T H, and last is T T T. Means in all number of sample points in the sample space are 8 when 3 coins are tossed. Now event A is getting at least 2 heads on the uppermost face. So from this sample space A is equal to at least 2 or more than 2 heads. So this one HHH, HHT, HTH and THH. These are the sample points in A. So HHH, then HHT, HTH and THH. So Na is equal to number of sample points in the event A is 4. Now next event B, there is no head. So here the head is not in the sample point T. So B is equal to T. So number of sample points in B, event B is 1. Last is get event C, get head on second coin. So here the sample points in the sample space where head is on the second coin. This is 1, 2, where head is in the second coin, third, 4. So here these are the sample points. So C is equal to H. On second coin there is head, then HHT, then third is THH, and last is THT. So here also in all there are 4 sample points in event C. Fourth example, 2-digit numbers are formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of the digits. So sample space 2-digit numbers is formed using the digit. Now here the technique of writing the sample space of 2-digit number using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here 0 starting, if you start with 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 is not a 2-digit number. So we'll start with this 1. 1 will go with all 1, 1, 0, then 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5. So these are the 2-digit number which has a combination with 1 and rest of the digits. Now similarly 2. Now 2 will go with all 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5. So 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5. Similarly, the digit 3 will go with all the digits. So 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 5. The digits should not be repeated here. Now 4 will go in the same manner. 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3 and 4, 5. And last 5, digit 5 will go with rest of the number digits, that is 5, 0, forming 2-digit number 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3 and 5, 4. So here in all there are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 two-digit numbers which are formed using the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 25. So NS is equal to number of sample points are 25. Now event A. Event A is a number formed is even number. So here in this sample space, which are the even numbers? So A is equal to even numbers which are the multiple of 2 or divisible by 2. So write 10, 12, 40, 20, 24, then 30, 32, 34, 30, 32, 34, then 40, 42, 40, 42, 50, 52 and 54. So here in all the numbers which are the even number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So Na is equal to 13. Now the number event B. number form is divisible by 3. So number form, which are the numbers which are divisible by 3 in this set, those sample space we have to write. So number which are divisible by 3 are in B, event B, that is numbers divisible by 3. Here 12 is the first, 15, then 12, 15, 21, 24, then 30, 30, 42, 45, 51 and 54. So 12, 15, then 21, 24, 30, 30, 42, 45, 51 and last is 54. These numbers are divisible by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are in all 9 numbers which are divisible by 3. Now event C. Event C is number which is formed is greater than 50. So number formed in sample space which are greater than 50 are from 51 onwards, 51 to 54. So C is equal to greater than 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So and C is equal to 4. Number of sample points in event C is 4. Fifth example. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. So let us consider 3 men M1, M2, M3 and 2 women are W1 and W2. Here 2 committee of 2 members is to be formed. So sample space S is equal to. So here M1 will go with all M1, M2 first committee, then M1, M3, M1, M3, then M1, W1 and M1, W2. Now we'll cancel this M1. Now M1, M2 will make the committee with rest of the member. So M2, M3, M2, W1 and M2, W2. Now the pair with the M2 is also over with all the members. Now M3 with W1 and M3, W2, the committee. See that here there only should not be any repetition in the sample space. M3, W1 and M3, W2. And last committee is the pair of W1 and W2. So in this way, in all 10 committees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So NS is equal to 10. Now event A, there must be at least 1 women member in the committee. So 1 women member in the committee. From the sample space A, event A is equal to wherever women's 1, 2, at least 1 or more than 1, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. So M1, W1, M1, W2, M2, W1, M2, W2, M3, W1, M3, W2 and last is W1, W2. So like this in all there are 7 committees in event A. Now event B, there should be 1 man and 1 woman in the committee. So 1 man and 1 woman. So 1 man, 1 woman, M1. So B event B is equal to M1 W1, M1 W2, then M2 W1, M2, W1 and M2, W2. Then M3, W1, one man and one woman, and M3, W2. So like this, there are 6 committees formed in event B. Now event C is there should not be a women member in the committee. So only men. So only men 1, 2, M1, M2, M1, M3 and M2, M3. So only men in the committee event C. So M1, M2, M1, M3 and M2, M3. So in all there are 3 committees in event C where there are only men. Sixth example, one coin and one die is thrown simultaneously. So sample space of one die and one coin S is equal to a coin, outcomes of the coin are H, head or tail, and a die 1 to 6 number. So combination of both means simultaneously both are thrown at one time. So head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5 and head 6. So combination with head with the dice, that are 6 outcomes of the dice, then tail on coin and 1 on dice, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. So these are all favorable outcomes when a die is thrown, a sample space. There are in all 6 and 12 outcomes, 12, total 12 outcomes when a die is, one die and one coin is thrown. Now event A, to get head and odd number. So head and odd number, event A, head and odd number. So 1, 2 and 3. 1, 3 and 5 are the odd number. So H1, H3 and H5. So NA is equal to 3 sample points in the event A. Now event B, to get head or tail and even number. Both head and tail and even number. So here head and even, head and even, head and even, tail and even number, tail and even number, tail and even number. So 2, 4, 6 are the even number. So B is equal to H2, H4 and H6, head and even number, and tail T2, T4 and T6. So tail and even number. So NB, number of sample points total are 6 in the event B. Now third is event C. The number on the uppermost post is greater than 7. Now if you see here, the in sample space, there is no number on the dice which is greater than 7. So here there will be empty, a null set. You will get a null set, that is C, or you can denote it as by this, and number of sample points in C is 0. Event C is 0.